There we go. You guys didn't have any sound. Now we can say you have sound. That's always good, right? Have some music. There we go. So, how are we doing today? How are we doing today? Are we doing good? Are we having a good moment, a good emotional day? Last time my Twitch stream didn't run, so let me just verify that I have a Twitch stream up. I just have to go to my channel real quick. Look, that's my face. So we're good. So, how's your week been, everybody else? Soyception? Yes, in a way. Hey, this is the way that we do, right? My turn. Oh! Numeno finally made it. Glad to see you. Okay, this one is up and ready to go. Yes, you are, Numeno. You see me yawning? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I've been thinking about writing this code all week and because I have to figure out how on earth to add this crap to a Discord channel. Like, essentially, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna yawn all day probably. So essentially, what I have to do is I have to, oh look, and it's been 30 minutes. I have to use guild numbers to add it to a server. We're gonna be doing it to this server. Copilot will try and write it for me. Copilot tries and writes everything for me. That's the Discord server. I'm gonna try and add it to. I just have to figure out what the heck. Like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna yawn 1,200 times. I'm supposed to use, to my understanding, you're supposed to use like guild numbers to add it. And I don't know what a guild number is. You know? So I gotta figure out how to get the guild numbers for my Discord server and add them to Discord. I was partying late last night playing Pokemon Arceus. That's what I was doing. You know, that's pretty much what I do. Yeah, but that's the only way I know how to add a bot to a Discord server. Like, that's literally what it tells me to do. No. Discord.js. Oh, you're... Next, find a bot. No, I need to... I want to do it on my bot. Add guild number to Discord bot. Something like that, right? There we go. Look, that's my picture. Guilds in Discord represent an isolated collection of users and channels and are often referred to as servers in the UI. Yes. So I need these fields get current users. Okay. Get guild. I don't want to create guild. I just want to returns a guild object of an ID with count. Example response. Yes. So if that means I have an API call I could make. But they don't, what's the API call? Create get guild channels, yeah. Create a new channel object for the guild, no. Maybe not. Global create global application commands. Hey. Now I'm just all confused again. Or maybe I need a new one. Oh, bring your app to life with a Discord bot user. Have fun with Zoom meetings. I hope you spend all your time with Zoom meetings being super excited. You know. Zoom meetings are the best meetings. I hate meetings. I think we should hold all meetings on Twitch from now on. There's only one person speaking and everybody else just has to type. I think that means... I think nothing would get done that way. Required... Gateway intent... I'm not doing anything you can't see. Cause like, so I should let you know. If I go here and then I source it, right? So that, I mean, I'm gonna just make all my secrets known. And then I run the Discord. Like, it works. Like, the bot's running, it's connected to something. But like, because it's not on any servers, I don't think it does anything. Oh look, streamer mode is enabled on my Discord. Oh, I think what it's saying is it won't show you anything because streamer mode is enabled. Oh, boo! Well, I want to build a Discord app. So... oh, could I do it like in a private message to myself? Oh, can I? How do you, like, do the messaging? Discord home. Group DM. I guess you can't message yourself. Huh, interesting. Okay, so that works. So I need to guild create and request guild members, thread members update. So do I need to create? Oh, I think I do, right? Like I have to create the bot user and then add the bot user. No, because this isn't a bot with a user. This is one that takes commands. Maybe the I'm gonna just spend so much time Googling today, it'll probably be a little bit ridiculous. And that's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate because I want to get this working. Like getting this working is literally key to my success as a human being, I feel like. So I already have that working. I have that working. There's a Go Discord example. This is where I was last time. We have slash commands. We have the slash command set up with the bot token, but we need to add the guild ID. Because how is a bot going to register commands globally, right? So, okay, so we need to get Discord, get server guild ID. That a thing? What is a Discord guild ID? Guild ID location. I have no idea where it is. Please help. Oh, look, you can see that. Oh, the guild ID is literally like the name at the end of it. So if I'm over here and I'm like hanging out here, this is the guild ID. Cool, let's try adding that. How? So we have in the register command, it was in this part that says user ID. Oh, and this is just going to be me for now until I create a user for the bot itself, right? I run that. Missing access? I don't have access? I'm an admin. What do you mean I don't have access? Oh, maybe I should be not on moderator. Bot test. That didn't change the number. It just changed... Right? That didn't change anything. Yeah, it didn't change anything. So how do we... Okay, now that we've got guild ID, how about we do Discord guild permissions? Setting up permissions, fuck. Oh. Yeah. Roles, create role, new role. Yeah, but I'm an admin. Wait, oh, I bet it's... You redeemed hydrate, so you want me to drink again? Okay, I'll keep drinking. You gotta keep those electrolytes going, right? Oh, they're having a Twitch talking session about software engineering salary. Bill Kennedy's on it. I don't know if that'll be good or not, but they're definitely having one. Okay, so is that assigned to my user? I don't know. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna, I should be able to check that. No, we're just gonna print this for now. Look at all these guilds. Let's just print the guilds. Oh, can I do guild add? Okay, I'm gonna do it. And then... Okay, that's not... That wasn't... I thought it was just a string. What was... Oh. Oh, guild's an entire object? Oh, great. Numeno, I feel like you're talking to yourself. Just so you know. A guild holds data related to specific Discord guilds. They're also called servers, name of the guild, owner of the guild, joined at, AFK member count, large, roles, presence, max members, channels. List of channels in a guild. This field is only present when guild create enables WebSocket update events. You are, okay, as long as we're aware you are talking to yourself, then we'll just keep that going. Why did my music stop? My problem is not trusting Copilot enough. I've been bitten by Copilot. How often do you use Copilot? I'm just going to silence is bliss. I can't think with silence. I attribute that to... that's a lie. I can think in silence. I don't trust my thoughts when it's silent. I have to have myself slightly distracted or else the thoughts get dark really fast. So that would be a lot of thinking right now. I do a lot of thinking all the time. Look at that ID. I wonder whose ID that is. If I turn on the light, it gets less dark. How do you turn on the light inside your brain? Will you explain that one to me? You should know. You're an not, is it an optician? No. Opticians are the ones that put glasses on your eye. You're in what? You're not an you're a laser guy. Archer Angel says you can never trust your own thoughts. If you can't trust your own thoughts, can you trust anything? How on earth would you get light to your brain through your ear? Straight shot to your brain through your ear after you perforate your eardrum. Yeah, that one. We want to add the Forge Guild with the guild ID. Oh, isn't there a channel as well? Like a channel ID? Because then I'd want to put a... ID of the AAK voice. Look at all that Jason. Okay, this is a crazy song. Okay, so they have just a list of channels. Application ID, system channel ID. That's not what I want to go. Def pop. Okay, and then we'll add that. I'm fine with that. But the thing I want to permit is like permit. We have this command create for the guild ID. I want to check the permissions. No, it wasn't permissions, it was roles. Role remove, role add, guild ID, Discord role. Yes. And I think I have those roles pulled up. And it would be this guild ID. I need to make that a variable, huh? This would be guild ID. This would be guild ID. There's no new merch in there. I have no idea what to add for new merch. Just like I don't know what to do for new stickers. People are like, Mariah, you don't have any new stickers. And I'm like, well, I don't know what kind of stickers you want. I could give you stickers of my face, like, if you want that. I think that'd be a great, like, Christmas gift to everybody. So there's that. Okay, so we need to add the role ID and the guild ID. Not enough arguments to call add, you're right, because we need the guild ID first. And that's about right. With the role, ID, managed, bool, name, position, color, permissions. Permissions of the role on a guild doesn't include channel overrides. I just need to figure out what those permissions are. Right now the permissions are 0. The name is tweetbot. And that's not the ID. Like, this is just, the ID has no correlation to the guild. Right? ID of the role. So I'm gonna make this 9675. No, why would I want those random numbers? Is that color white? We don't want white, we want, what is it, a hex color code? Colored greens code? Hex color code. Pick a color, any color. What color's Twitter? Twitter's like that color, right? This color. Oh, that's, okay. That's what we want. Why is that color like that? Hex color of this, yeah. We'll just get rid of that field then. Permissions? Payloads, permissions? Permissions? Oh my gosh. Can kit, can back, send messages. send messages. I mean, we just want the ones that allows it to be a command, right? So it's not really doing anything. Allows creation of instant invites. It doesn't need any permissions, right? Because, like, you write it, but it does, like, external stuff. It has no need to do anything internal. But we should write a success. So, like, maybe, like, send message. Send message would be a good one. Allow sending messages in a channel. Does not allow sending messages in a thread. That's probably the only one we need, I believe. Okay. And this is try adding the guild permissions so the bot is added to server. Like, that's what we're doing. Create command on the server. Like, that's, I think, what it is. Missing access? What do you mean it's missing access? This is gonna tell me something. It's not gonna tell me anything I didn't already know. Discord bot. Oh, look at that. It's a Discord app. Hopefully this is the right place. Continue this thread. Try giving the bot all permissions. Post code. Oh, so like in the bot itself. Applications. Bot. Permissions. Oh, right now the permissions integer is 0. I knew that. So we want to be able to not manage servers, read messages, send messages, oh, and then so now we have this permission integer, right? So we copy that. Maybe that's what we need. Comma. Now we still have missing access. So that works. Oh, sorry, thanks. Jacoboko. I think I call you Hakobo, but it's Hakaboko. Yeah, my camera, unless I want to pop out another $1,000 for a camera, I have to turn it on every 30 minutes. Which I would do happily if I had more Prime subscribers. Your name is weird? Your name's not weird. There's weird names out there, and it's not your username. I think that's incredibly clever. Right? It just says copy. It doesn't say needs it doesn't say anything else. Save changes? Do I have public bot? I'm just using an existing bot. I don't. If your application requires multiple scopes, then you'll need OAuth flow. No, we're not doing that. When unchecked, you can only join. It's not a public bot. It's a private bot. That's for sure. Your application requires scope. I don't think... I do have the token, so it is associated with this bot. Because it has the token. I've given it to it. It's not public. Oh. Yeah, I can join this bot to servers. Wait, does that mean... Maybe this will fix it. No, it's still missing the access. So I need to add a bot to my server. Edit profile server settings. No. No. No, that should work. It should be fine. It should be fine. So we're back on this 500 error. Well, maybe it is an okay, I'm just gonna do what they said and give it access to everything. Oh, is that the everything one? I think this is the everything. Like administrator is like the everything. And I don't need it to be an administrator. So I'm just gonna try this just because that's what they said to do, right? They said to try it. And then if that doesn't work, I'll have to go read some more crap. 'Cause we love to read garbage. You know, my singing doesn't really go with the music. F. F. Now what? No, it's just quiet. The music's just quiet. It's not dead. It's just quiet. So, because I don't want you to hear it very much. I guess. Oh, it says that like, oh, I know why. I've done this before. It's just the microphone. Not the, yeah, you're not getting any music right now. Because it's just saying that the sound's coming from my microphone, not from the music. Yeah, so you just get the mic for a minute. You should have music though, it's just being stupid. Now it's really loud in my ears. But that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I don't know why. It's oh, I don't want to add that there. I want to add it to Twitch. Oh, I see. I don't have a Twitch studio. I have OBS. You're not crazy. OBS. See? I have to go add that. Apparently, I have to do that in the settings, they say. Audio. Why does it not have it, though? Because right now, it only has my microphone. So, you know, there's that. Probably because it's dumb. I could do this though, watch. No, not that. But I could do this. And then you would definitely have it. But then that's not like, now that's just a little bit redundant. But you know, whatever. I'm gonna restart this wavelength crap. Yeah. No, we're gonna quit that. See, now did I fix that music for you? Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, well... Now I can try the settings again. Yeah, it still doesn't have wavelength there. That's weird. That's really weird. I'm gonna blame the software update I just did. So, yeah, let's just not use that, and we'll just use OBS like I've done in the past, like, you know, professional. But back to this, why do we still not have permissions? Let's just give it 8 and see what happens. Right? Next they're gonna tell me that I have to do like OAuth or something, or else it's not gonna work. What was it? 8? Yeah, so this must be something about me having access. Yeah, I need to required for your server to receive events listed under guild members. I must be missing something. Well, that's my application ID. That's my client ID. It's my public key. Bot. Like, I'm just using this bot token, that's all it is. I don't need OAuth. Provide gateway intents. Some gateway intents require approval if your bot is verified. If your bot is not verified, you can toggle the intents to allow them access. Gateway intents. Maintaining a stateful application can be difficult when it comes to the amount of data you process, especially at scale. So there's that. No, I don't want the rate limiting. Thread member update, guild create, guild member update, caveats. Any event not defined in an intent is considered pass through and always be sent to you. Well, that's great. Then it doesn't matter. Okay, app command structure, there's an ID for it, there's a guild ID, a name, a string, options, default permissions, array of application commands if they're true. Slash commands, autocomplete. You're kicking me, bud. What do you need? They don't have any, like, permissions or anything in here. See, no. And they just have the bot token. Okay, whoa. They have channel types. We do want it to only be allowed in a text channel, but that's not the problem. The problem is I don't have permissions. Right? That's still where we are. Having issues, 300 forbidden. Missing access when adding a role. Make sure you have a role given to the bot, which has access to managing roles. So when you add the bot from the dev portal, you can give permissions to it. Best practice is to make a role called bot with all permissions and give it to all the bots so that you have in this. I don't add bot to server. How to add bots to your Discord server, right? Roles, default permissions. Okay, so I'm in Discord. Hi Tammy65. Right now I'm literally just trying to add my bot to a Discord server. Default permissions. No, we're going to create a role, and this role is going to be, you can't see my Discord. I'm trying to do like what they're telling me to do. So this new role, and we're creating a role. This new role is called tweetbot role, right? And that's a good color. We don't need an image yet. Display role separately from display role members separately from online members. Yeah, because this is different. View. Yeah, so what are we doing? So then it says permissions, view channels, manage channels, allow members to view channels by default, allow members to create, edit. No, they don't need to do that. They don't need to manage webhooks. They don't need to view audit logs. They don't need to manage the server. It's not going to change nicknames. Like, the only thing it's going to do is send messages and, like, watch the channel. Oh, it can do that. It's going to read message history. Send speech to text, no. Use application commands, yes, that's the whole reason we're here. We don't want any voice stuff. No. Okay, save changes. And now we save changes. Okay, so now we go. No, I don't want to do that one. I want to add my bot. I want to see, now I have this Twitter bot. Right here. Now I want to add this to the role. Bring your app to life with a bot user. Yeah. Learn more about bot users. Oh, I guess I have to add this user. Bot versus user accounts. Provides a separate. Okay, so now I need to figure out how to add this bot user, which I guess is that, to my Discord, right? So now I go members, search. No, I don't want to search the members. I want to invite somebody. No. We'll just go here. And we will invite people, right? And we have that. I don't want to search for friends, because it's like, you're not my friend. Right? No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that either. I want to add, oh gosh. How do I get out of this? No, get out of that. Discord! You're being real dumb. There we go. That's what I wanted to do, was exit out of that. No, I want to exit out of that too. I want to server settings, invites, members, display role. See, look, I added Nightbot. Yeah, we have a new Forge Discord server. It's this one, the one that I put in chat at the very beginning. And there's only 16 members. Hey, wait. Did this tell me how to add, how to join? Oh wait, was there like a command to join a guild? Because if that's the case, that's what I need to do, was like join. Like, that's what I need to do, is join it. Yeah. Jacob Co. I think that's what I need to do. I need to figure out if there was like a join command. New bot. Do they add a handler, they add a commands, they notify, they open it. Do I open a session? Well, yeah, but they're doing a lot of weird stuff and like functions with init functions that I'm not doing. New bot token. Remove commands, guild ID. Not that I should trust this example to be like the holy of holies, right? Print log bot, it's up, Discord session. So like this is the, I have to add my bot, or my bot has to join the server. Like that has to be what we're missing here. Right? So we have a role. I created that role. So we're adding, we're not... Dot role. Yeah, I just created that role, right? Like on the server. So I should be able to... This guild add, I feel like that creates a new one. Guilds. User guild settings. Guild ID, Discord guild. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what this does. Like, let's just try it. And then we'll do the guild ID, and then that'll be Forge Guild. And then we'll just print that and see what happens. And then we'll just print it. Yeah, so the reason that the Forge changed servers, the Forge Utah changed servers, is because the old one was with Clint's Weave email, and Clint doesn't work at Weave. You know, if Clint doesn't work at Weave, then we can't access permissions or do anything. So we just made a new one, and we didn't really tell anybody, nor did we like, it's kind of like a work in progress. in a way. Is this in main? I want to thank Bad Cop for the follow. That's super awesome. We're glad you could join us, hang out with us, play with all of our emojis, and puppies, because that's what emojis are. Thank you, Bad Cop. Come hang out. We're having a blast trying to effing get Discord working. My goodness. I mean, I knew this was going to be a whole thing. I'm like way outside like my norm. This is not what I do. I like mess around with databases all day, and this is like the opposite of a database, right? This is more like web appy stuff, and I don't do web appy stuff. I've never done web appy stuff. What's a web app? Right? I don't do stuff with databases all day, just data sets and data pipelines and data models, and not really I don't do databases, and I don't want to. So congratulations on quitting that job. Congratulations. I think we should all quit our jobs. See, it didn't add the guild. What would happen if we all made suicide pacts and quit our jobs? Data science is cooler? If you say so. I think machine learning is killer. I just don't do it for work. I just want to get paid sometimes, you know? Okay, so we have a guild ID. Yes, making money. What the heck is this? DG Guild add permissions? That's not a thing, is it? That's what I thought. I'm pretty sure. I would also miss getting paid, and I would miss having a house, because getting paid is what enables me to make my mortgage payment and have a house. Which, you know, love having a house. We need to add guilds first. Okay. So we're gonna keep that the way it was. And I mean, you're in the Bay, like Silicon Valley? Well, if that's the case, yeah, you're definitely never getting. Reasons to not live in the Silicon Valley. Takes you 300 years to save up for a down payment on a house. Me, I was just like, yeah, let's go refinance that car and put a down payment on a house. And it's just big enough for me and my 2 dogs. Okay, we need to dg.state. No. dg.application commands. No. Add handlers. No. Channel delete. No. Channel messages. No. Channel client. No. So it was state dot guild add. We want to do that. And then we're going to just... No, guild ID is not going to work. We're going to do that. What are you mad about there? And then we'll go dg.state enabled. Should we just like print that? Is that how Chico me saying? Chico? Is this back end, Chico? Yes, this is back end, kind of. I mean, there is no user interface that I'm building at all. I'm trying to make it so that I can type a command in Discord, and then that does something. That's essentially what I want. Max message count. So, you know, I mean, that's my goal. Message ID, notes, presence, no, ready, no, roll. Could I make it turn on my hallway light? Theoretically, I should be able to like control everything via Discord if this works correctly. Because all I'm doing is using Discord to call another API. So, like, if you can make everything an API call, then, yeah, it would work. Let's try that. This is just for me trying to do stuff. Right? Of course theoretically always works. I'm a physicist. Everything's theoretical. Trained as a physicist. So, like, I only care about the theoretical success of situations in a way. We only, right? I picked the wrong job for that, huh? See, look, everything's false. No, I have a degree in physics, so that's not theoretically a physicist. That's literally a physicist who overuses the term theoretically. Right? I get, yeah, yes. I love to say theoretically. If I say theoretically, then I don't make any promises, right? Then I don't have to. I'm not promising the success of anything. I am promising the probability of success, and that probability could always be next to nothing. Nah, hypothetical acts sounds too much like, I don't know, magic? The mystic arts? And I don't want to promise anything by the mystic arts. Gotta rely on science. Did I already run the DG open thing? So we have a WebSocket connection open. Connect to Discord and begin listening. And then we got a lot of first-time chatters on here. Welcome, guys. I'm so glad to see you. That was too much ginger. And now I'm just coughing. Don't forget to follow so that you can chat with us all the time. Sorry, I just keep checking up on work. I may or may not have, like, deployed a big major chunk of code to production and then, like, started streaming. I would quit if I had enough subscribers to pay my mortgage, but Twitch doesn't pay the bills, so I, like, can't quit. have to pay for my house, and I really like to eat, and my dogs have to eat, and I have to pay for my Pokemon games. You know, just like money. It costs money to stream on Twitch. My dogs usually don't get paid for their jobs. Right? Like, service dogs don't get paid for their jobs. Seeing eye dogs don't get paid for their jobs. I mean, I don't know if I could make my jobs. I don't know if I could make my dogs pay for things. I mean, I don't know. That's mean. No, they live here rent-free. And I just feed them. You know. Like all good dog owners. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I mean, nobody makes us do anything. We usually choose to do things. I prefer just taking care of my dogs. It's good for my mental health. Let's go look at these. See, they have commands on here somewhere. See, they have roles. So theirs is a very different situation than mine. Air horn, autocomplete, voice receive, ping pong, DM ping pong, components, context menus. I mean, I might just end up posting in the Discord. That's what I did last time, and it got me good help. In this example, we only care about receiving message events. Oh. Add handler, create message. DG, identifying intent. Let's add that. This is a huge mess. Doesn't this just like look like the world's biggest mess of code? That's before open. So we're gonna add a comment, intent, and permissions. Guild messages. I mean, to be fair, I've written much worse, and you've done the PRs on those, Numino, so yes. Let's do that. What I'm gonna do is we'll just do this. We're going to copy just right here, internal discord main.go, and we're gonna call it internal discord, and we're gonna call it, and yet you're the, yes, I am still employed. I think that's when money wins. I'm pretty sure you were making a bigger salary than me, so they'd rather keep somebody that writes meh code and they pay less than somebody who writes magical services and gets paid a lot of money. Emphasis on magical, as in it was a little, everything you I felt like everything you do was just like a little bit bordering on black magic. I don't know who you were what gods you were sacrificing to make it work, but helped out. And this, we will call this application command. Magic code is worse than ugly code. What do you mean by worse? It's definitely true, magic code. People say that. But if it works magically, more fragile and harder to maintain. Why do I care about maintaining it? So, look, I spelled application command wrong. I spelled application command. So now that we copied that, I can open that again. And I'm just gonna kill all this application command stuff. We're still gonna have the handlers. But we're gonna change this to command. Nobody ever said I could type. That was not yeah. So, I mean, that could be great. That's great. Breaking things at work and completely ignoring them. Well, I mean, I'm texting on my phone because I'm not on my work computer because I don't want them to have access to this. Okay, so we're going to just, instead of trying to do the full application command, all I want to do right now, take a step back, and I'm just gonna like try to send a message to the desired Discord server, and as a reminder for all y'all in y'all land. Oh, you write go, bad cop? I needed to delete that. Oh look! Jacobico, you made it. This is the server that I want to see it. That's the server. Okay, so we want it to be message create. That's what we're doing. Not this weird interaction create. I wonder if that was also wrong, but that would have had nothing. I mean, There's so many things I don't know right now. Right? Sorry, I'm dancing to the music because I thought it was pretty chill. Super chill music. So they just set a user ID. Oh, this is just handling it. So I wonder if I could just do that. Well, this is gonna... We're just gonna... Okay, I'm gonna do this. We are going to do just an s.channel send message, not complex. Send message. We're gonna send it to... What the heck is an i.channel? ID. No, I'm just gonna have... Look the heck at that. I like that. That's gonna totally mislead people. And I'm here to take over the world. The workle Workle did you? What was my channel? There was a way. I don't want to see you. I don't want to see that either. Welcome to the Forge Slack, bad cop. Not the Forge Slack, the Forge Discord. I want to get channel Discord channel ID. Whoa, I can do it in developer mode? Well, I didn't know that. Where have I been this whole freaking time? Settings. Advanced. Developer mode. Test application mode. Application ID. Where's my application freaking ID? Is this what I've been... Yeah, I'm so excited. I love it. Ah! I'm about to punch something. I'm gonna go downstairs and find... Wait. Now that I'm in developer mode... Copy link? No, wait. Now that I've done that, I can right click on it. Don't punch my monitor. No, I bought a punching bag specifically to channel all of my rage. It's a great tool. I think everybody should buy punching bags. I've converted half of my garage into a home gym. Jacobo Code just lives in dev mode. He's like, I'm a developer and I live in dev mode. Right? That's where you live? What's that meme? Seems good. I mean, you might as well, right? Yeah, I know it's redeclared. We'll just... Oh. I know what to do. Internal Discord application command to do. Watch this. No. Haha! I win. I should really, if I'm gonna keep listening to this music, I should make my channel not family friendly. Because they have some words. And also Jacobico, but to go. You can't even hear them. Do you want me to turn it up? Now it's turned up, but I always get concerned that the music will mask my beautiful voice, so I turn it down. That's because we're not calling it Handle Tweets anymore. We're calling it something else. Oh, we're calling it Connect Message. Is that better? Is that better music? I could turn it all the way up, but then do I have to yell? I mean, I already talk loud. I just want a good balance, and I don't like listen to my streams before they go out because I can't stand the sound of my own voice. Makes me want to punch my monitor. So this handler is going to respond to a message, and so I'm going to right here before the add handler, and this is, we're gonna have to do dg dot, and I think there's a session on here. Oh, we have a session ID. Your voice comes through fine. I'll turn the music down then. Whatever you want. That's good. I just feel like sometimes I go radio silent and you need music to fill your brains. Because my brain is full. Have I really only been live for an hour and a half? I thought I started at like 1:30. And it's like almost 4. What have we been doing? I think that merch alert comes way too often. It needs to come like once every 3 years. Write that. Why did guild ID is unused? Yeah, it is probably. Okay, well we're going to dg.add guild. Oh, it was state, right? Guild add. I love Stream Elements. It does a good job of tracking metrics. And yep, I switched to them because of Streamlabs. I used to be on Streamlabs, and then I switched. So, there's that. Yes, I use Streamlabs because it was way easier than building something that integrates with the Twitch API, because the Twitch API is horrendous. No, the chat API is horrendous. The Twitch API is fine. I did not like it. Yeah, the chat one, it does an IRC chat. Yeah. Took me forever to get it working. They're not the same thing at all. Streamlabs is very different. Very different than Stream Elements. Thanks for that follow, Archer Angel. I don't know why Streamlabs posted that because I have removed their mod from my channel, so. Yes, the OAuth! The OAuth was what took me forever to figure out that with the Twitch chat. I do have it working. Stream Elements. So. Pretty much. Yeah, that OAuth was a butt. See, that works. So now if I go to Discord, and I'm just sitting here, can I just like type random? Where is my bot? At tweet. Well, I mean, I added that role. That's a role, though. So. Yeah. And I was trying to build just like an just a CLI app, really. Like, I wasn't doing any web stuff, and it was all with the OAuth, and it was, you know, all the super funds. Okay, I'm just gonna copy and paste their ping pong stuff. I'm just gonna literally do this. And see what happens. What did I not copyright? That's what I didn't copyright. Yeah, well, we will see what happens in a minute. go run. Okay, this is supposed to just be like doing a ping pong, right? Back and forth. There's no bot there. Oh, maybe I have... And it's supposed to do it in all of the channels? Let's see... No, the bot's not added to a specific channel. Here... It's just... Basically... Whenever a message create event happens, it's supposed to send message. That's where we're living right now, is every time a message... Yes, I do have to add the bot to the server first, but I did that with my Magic Developer mode. I thought. No, I didn't do that. Now is when I need to go... Okay, now back to the theme. I keep thinking... I'm going in circles. So we're gonna do this. dg.state.add guild pointer to the Discord go guild type ID guild ID. That should be capital, I believe. Right? Okay. It doesn't like these two, I knew that. See, that's still running. And that should say it joined, though. Like, these just add in, so it should say added to the server. Right? Something like that. Discord. Add friend online, no. Over here. Inbox, no. Help, no. Hide member list, no. Threads, no. Uh-oh. I think they broke it. Yes, it's me. Yes, it's me. Trying to figure out if I broke this thing. We already added the permissions. I have to add the bot user. I know. Okay. We're gonna take a 15-minute break because what the F is going on right now? I'm gonna have to jump off, and I may just come back on later. I'm sorry. Like, this is great. Let's see who I can send you to right now, and you guys can go watch somebody else do crap. Analytics tools for streamers. JS security with Node.js. React, JS, Mongo. Any preferences? When I grow up, I want to be a star, game dev. We can do it in a different language. No preferences? Okay, I'll just do whoever I want. Thank you so much for the subscriptions and for hanging out with me. I just have to peace out. I will see you guys later, and I hope you have a great weekend.